Hello and welcome to this video tutorial. I'm Nuria. In previous tutorial we have seen how you can create your first web page using basic HTML. In this video part 2 I'm going to show you how to apply CSS styling. While HTML is a markup language that allows us to create the structure of a web page or design a web page, the CSS is a styling language that controls the layout. It means helps us position the element anywhere within the web page. It also applies coloring and background, controlling width of images and so on. Also applying animations and much more. In this video tutorial I'm going to show you how we can create our first internal style sheet. Let's proceed. First, type the HTML tag style. This is an HTML tag. Then within this HTML tag I'm going to include the CSS code. First, I want to style the body with applying some background color and font family. Let's do that. For the background color, before I do that, I need to write body. This is the procedure. Body and then curly braces. Within these curly braces, I will write the code. Background color. I want the background color to be light gray. Then apply some font family. I want to show you how you can style the heading 1 so that it is centered within the page, as well as make the size larger and apply some colors and some background. Let's do that. To do that, H1, again, curly braces. Within these curly braces, we write our code. Font size. I want the font size to be 48 pixels. Then apply color. This changes the text color to white, then background color, black. Let's center the text, let's center the heading relative to the web page. To do that, write the CSS tag text align, followed by center. Then I want to show you how you can style the paragraph. For the paragraph, I want it to be positioned to the right of the web page. To do that, simply set text align to right. Then also let's apply some coloring and font size as well. The color, let's put it gold, and the background maroon. Finally, I want to show you how you can apply some style to the image to make it look prettier. Let's do that. For the image, again we write the element name img. If you have noticed it until now, we have been mentioning the element name and then within the curly braces writing the CSS code. In future tutorials, I'm going to show you how you can use class name as well as ID name for each element to apply group or individual styling. Let's proceed with the styling the image. I want to set the width of the image to be 400 pixels. And then the height, set it to 350 pixels. I also want to apply some background color to make it look prettier. Okay. Then I want to apply some padding. 20 pixels. Padding provides a space, an internal space between the element itself and the border. I also want to apply a border, external border, which is 1 pixel solid black. What this does is draws a border around the picture, which is colored with black and thickness of 1 pixel. Now let's run the code and see how the web page looks like after styling. Yeah, this is how our web page looks like. It looks more nicer and more prettier. If you found this video tutorial helpful, for more, click on subscribe, like and share. Thank you for watching.